Hi there, welcome to English with Glenda. Today we are going to discuss about pronoun-antecedent agreement. What is antecedent? Antecedent is a word or group of words to which another word refers. So in Tagalog, it is yung nauuna. Sometimes we write sentences with pronouns, but the reader doesn't understand who the pronoun is talking about. Today we're going to practice correcting common mistakes that make our pronouns unclear. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to write sentences with clear pronouns. Okay, so I have here an example sentence. Alright, so this type of sentence often confuses writers. I need to insert a pronoun in this sentence. Should I say its team or their team? You might think their because many people are part of a team. You might also say its because there is only one crew. Even though a team contains many players or many people, the word team is singular actually. It describes one group of people. One group of players is proud of its accomplishment. Look at the action word. Notice that the sentence says the team is and not the team are. That's another clue that the noun is singular. Since the noun is singular, the pronoun that I use to talk about it has to be singular too. The singular pronoun is its. I am going to add its to my sentence. Another example is a herd of cattle waits for blank leader to start eating. Now I'd like you all to try this on your own. Look at the sentence on your screen and decide whether the correct pronoun is its or their. Before you answer the question, I would like you to ask yourself the following questions. Is the word herd describing one thing or many things? Does the word waits tell us the noun is singular or plural? Is the singular pronoun there, it is, or its? So the correct answer is its. A herd of cattle waits for its leader to start eating because a herd is singular noun, although this is composed of many cattle, but then a herd is only one group of cattle. And also our main verb here gives us the clue that the noun is in singular form. Okay, I have here another example. They say sea level will rise by as much as 2 meters by 2100. Let's look at this sentence. This sentence on your screen is grammatically correct, but it is still unclear. Here's why. Who says sea levels will rise? Can you guess? We can anticipate that they can be scientists, they can be weathermen, or they can be sailors. So this sentence doesn't tell you who they are. So we need to know who they are. So your source could be anyone. So it's probably scientists, but it could also be teachers or maybe even my neighbors down the street, or the reader has to guess. Now, when you write, make sure you don't use pronouns like they without talking about who they are first. Okay? We have to rewrite this sentence to make the actor or the subject of the sentence clear. Okay, so what do you think should we do? What do you think should we do to rewrite this sentence so that the pronoun or the subject is clear? Okay, so of course we want to say that, of course we want to know who they is referring to. So we would say climate scientists say sea level will rise by as much as 2 meters by 2100. Okay? Alright, so let's practice this one more time. Revise the underlined sentence to make it clear who he is. Alright? So the sentence is, the fireman and the policeman rushed to the scene. He saved the dog just in time. Who do you think between the fireman and the policeman is highly likely to save a dog? Alright? So if you are writing a story, if you are writing a paragraph, you need to identify first who you want to talk about. In your first sentence, there are two subjects. There are two people that are supposed to be doing the action. But there should be only one, because the next sentence you did was use a pronoun that refers to only one person. So we need to put a noun first before we use a pronoun to identify who we are talking about. So, who is likely to save the dog? Is it the fireman or the policeman? Of course, the fireman saved the dog just in time. It is the fireman who is most likely to save the dog. So that is for today. It was a little bit short, but I hope you learned something. Again, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated for every new videos that I am going to upload in the future. So thank you and see you again in our next class.